Hey there! So, you've been asked to write an opinion paragraph, but you're not exactly sure where to start? Don't worry, I've totally been there. Today, I'm going to break it down step by step, so you'll walk away ready to write a clear, strong opinion paragraph that actually gets your point across. First things first, what is an opinion paragraph anyway? It's a short piece of writing where you share your opinion on a topic, back it up with reasons, and wrap it up with a neat conclusion. Simple, right? But there's a formula to make it effective. And once you know it, you can use it for just about any topic. Step 1. Start with a topic sentence. This is your big statement, what you believe. Be direct. For example, if the topic is, should students have homework, you could start with, I believe students should not have homework. See? No beating around the bush. Step 2. Give your reasons. This is where you explain why you have that opinion. Try to come up with 2 or 3 solid reasons. Let's stick with our homework example. Maybe your first reason is, homework takes away from family time. Your second reason could be, many students feel stressed because of too much homework. Each reason gets its own sentence. Make it clear and specific. Step 3. Add supporting details. This is how you make your reasons stronger. You can give examples, facts, or personal experiences. For instance, after school, I usually only have a few hours to spend with my family before bed, but homework takes up most of that time. Or, a survey in our school showed that 70% of students feel overwhelmed when they have a lot of homework. Supporting details make your opinion paragraph believable and convincing. Step 4. Wrap it up with a concluding sentence. This is where you restate your opinion in a new way. Something like, that's why I think students should have less homework, so they can enjoy their time at home and feel less stressed. It's like tying a bow on your paragraph. It signals to the reader that you're done. All right, quick recap. Start with a clear topic sentence. Give 2 or 3 reasons, back them up with details, and end with a strong conclusion. Keep your sentences linked together so your ideas flow smoothly from one to the next. And here's my final tip. Before you finish, read your paragraph out loud. If it sounds natural and convincing, you're good to go. Writing an opinion paragraph isn't about being fancy. It's about being clear, honest, and direct. Now you've got the tools. Go ahead, give that opinion paragraph your best shot. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.